Among the countless bikes out there, a select few come so close to perfection that they're practically in a league of their own. These machines have become so renowned and tested over and over again, and the conclusion by experts is that they are near perfection. Get ready to dive into a world of almost perfect automotive wonder as we explore 15 motorcycles that experts call almost perfect. Number 15. The Kawasaki Z650RS blends the cool looks of the 1970s with today's technology, making it a head-turner wherever it goes. It carries a 649cc parallel twin engine that kicks out 68 horsepower at 8,000 RPM and 47 pound-feet of torque at 6,700 RPM. More than enough for whatever the terrain has to offer. In the UK, the Z650RS starts quite competitively. Its design features a classic round LED headlight and a sleek fuel tank, giving it that retro vibe without sacrificing modern functionality. When it comes to handling, the bike's lightweight trellis frame makes it super agile, perfect for weaving through traffic or carving up some twisty roads. Advanced features like the assist and slipper clutch help in smoother gear shifts and prevent wheel hop during downshifts. Plus, with a fuel consumption of 54 miles per gallon, it's pretty efficient. In short, the Kawasaki Z650RS offers so much more, making it worthy enough to make this list. Number 14. The Royal Enfield Continental GT650. This modern classic sports a 648cc parallel twin engine, producing 47 horsepower, enough to make your daily commute feel like a scene from a vintage motorcycle movie. The Continental GT650 stands out with its retro design, featuring a sculpted fuel tank, clip-on handlebars, and a minimalist rear end. Its lightweight chassis and sporty riding position make movement seamless, even if you're just turning into the grocery store parking lot. With a fuel efficiency rating of about 59 miles per gallon, it's as economical as it is stylish. The Continental GT650 comes with modern amenities like dual-channel ABS and a slipper clutch, blending safety with performance. The bike's 3-gallon fuel tank ensures that you can enjoy longer rides without frequent pit stops. In essence, the Royal Enfield Continental GT650 offers a nostalgic ride with contemporary reliability, perfect for everyone. Number 13. The Triumph Street Triple 765 RS. This bike's engine is so impressive that it's used as the base for the Moto2 racing series. This naked sports bike packs a 765cc inline-3 engine, churning out a thrilling 128 horsepower, enough to plaster a grin on any rider's face. The Street Triple 765 RS showcases an aggressive design with sharp lines and a distinctive twin headlight face. Its lightweight aluminum frame and top-notch suspension provide razor-sharp handling, making it feel like the bike is reading your mind through every twist and turn. Despite its performance prowess, it manages a respectable fuel efficiency, so you can spend more time riding and less time refueling. Priced intelligently and considerably, the Street Triple 765 RS is equipped with high-end features like a full-color TFT display, multiple riding modes, and Brembo brakes, ensuring both performance and safety are top-notch. The bike's 4-gallon fuel tank makes riding more fun. The Triumph Street Triple 765 RS is a dynamic machine that combines cutting-edge technology with exhilarating performance. This motorcycle is what experts call phenomenal. Number 12. The KTM 390 Duke. Did you know that the KTM 390 Duke is often called the corner rocket because of its agility? This bike is powered by a 398.63cc single-cylinder engine that delivers 46 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 29 pound-feet of torque at 6,500 RPM, proving a lively ride for both new and experienced riders. The 390 Duke's sharp design, featuring a split LED headlamp and aggressive lines, makes it stand out in any crowd. Its lightweight frame and responsive handling make weaving through city traffic feel like a video game. The 390 Duke comes loaded with features like a 5-inch TFT display, ride-by-wire throttle, and dual-channel ABS, ensuring a blend of technology and safety. The 4-gallon fuel tank means fewer stops during your adventures. In essence, the KTM 390 Duke offers a thrilling ride with top-notch features, making it a favorite among experts. Number 11. The Honda Goldwing is a phenomenal machine, known as the Touring Gem, and some models even come with an airbag. Can you imagine? The first motorcycle to offer this feature. Underneath its slick exterior lies a powerful 1833cc six-cylinder engine, delivering smooth and effortless power for long-distance journeys. The Goldwing's design focuses on rider comfort, featuring a plush seat and ample storage space, including saddlebags and a top trunk. Its advanced suspension system and low center of gravity make handling this heavyweight cruiser surprisingly easy, even at low speeds. With a fuel efficiency rating of around 42 miles per gallon, it's efficient for its class, allowing for extended rides between fuel stops. While the Goldwing is a premium motorcycle with a higher price point, it justifies the cost with features like a full-color touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay integration, and a sophisticated navigation system. The bike's large fuel tank ensures you can cover long distances without frequent refueling. The Honda Goldwing is luxury joined with performance. It's no wonder it's part of this list. Enjoying this near-perfect motorcycle list? Leave your comments on which one you like the most. Take a pause, subscribe, and click on that notification bell. Now we know it's a chore, but your little action can help keep this channel alive and active. Number 10. The Yamaha MT-07 is often referred to as the master of torque, and this name comes from its impressive engine performance. This bike is equipped with a 689cc liquid-cooled 4-stroke DOHC inline twin-cylinder engine, producing 73.8 horsepower at 8,750 RPM and 49 pound-feet of torque at 6,500 RPM, offering a thrilling yet manageable ride. The MT-07's minimalist design, highlighted by its compact frame and distinctive LED headlight, gives it a modern look. Its lightweight frame aids in responsive handling, making it a joy to ride through twisty roads or urban environments. With a fuel efficiency rating of approximately 57 miles per gallon, it's both fun and economical. Priced competitively, the MT-07 offers advanced features, ensuring safety and convenience. The 3.7-gallon fuel tank provides a decent range for daily commutes and weekend rides. In essence, the Yamaha MT-07 delivers an engaging riding experience that wants for nothing more, making it a popular choice on this list. Number 9. The Kawasaki Versys 650. This bike's name is a blend of versatility and systematic excellence, highlighting its adaptability. This motorcycle is powered by a 649cc parallel twin engine, delivering 67 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 45 pound-feet of torque at 7,000 RPM, providing a lively and responsive ride. The Versys 650 features a distinctive design with a tall stance and sharp lines, making it stand out in any setting. Its long travel suspension and 17-inch wheels offer a smooth and controlled ride throughout city streets and winding country roads. With a fuel tank capacity of 6 gallons, it ensures fewer stops during long journeys. It comes equipped with features like adjustable windscreen, dual throttle valves, and a comfortable seating position, enhancing both safety and comfort. The Kawasaki Versys 650 is the type of motorcycle you want under you when you're on the open road. A motorcycle worth the time and the money, giving performance, comfort, and versatility all at the same time. Number 8. The Indian Scout was originally introduced in the 1920s and has been a symbol of American motorcycling heritage ever since. The modern Scout is equipped with a 1133cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine, producing 100 horsepower and 72 pound-feet of torque, offering a powerful and smooth ride. The Scout's classic design features a low seat height of 26 inches, a lightweight frame, and a sleek tank, giving it a timeless and elegant appearance. Its low center of gravity and responsive handling make it easy to maneuver. While the price varies depending on the model and customization options, the Scout offers features like a USB charging port, optional ABS, and a range of accessories to personalize your ride. This motorcycle, the Indian Scout, blends its classic design with exceptional performance. It's indeed a true choice of experts. Number 7. The Suzuki V-Strom 650. Did you know that this bike has been a favorite among adventure riders for over 2 decades? This motorcycle is powered by a 645cc V-twin engine, delivering 67 horsepower and 45 pound-feet of torque, providing a balanced and dependable performance. The V-Strom 650's design features a comfortable upright seating position, a windscreen for wind protection, and a robust frame, making it suitable for long-distance rides. It offers responsive handling with a suspension system that allows for smooth rides through various terrains. With a fuel tank capacity of 5 gallons and a fuel consumption of approximately 52 miles per gallon, it offers an impressive range for extended journeys. While the price varies depending on the model and optional features, the V-Strom 650 comes equipped with different advanced features, including, but not limited to, ABS and traction control. The Suzuki V-Strom 650 is a star of comfort, the equivalent of a 5-star restaurant experience, if you know what I mean. Number 6. The Honda CRF 300L is often called the do-it-all bike because it handles city streets and dirt trails with equal ease. This motorcycle is equipped with a 286cc single-cylinder engine, producing 27 horsepower, making it both nimble and efficient. The CRF 300L's design takes cues from Honda's racing heritage, featuring a lightweight steel frame and a slim body, which makes maneuvering through tight spots a breeze. Its long travel suspension and high ground clearance allow it to tackle rough terrain without breaking a sweat. With a fuel consumption rating of 76 miles per gallon, it's also light on fuel, letting you explore further on a single tank. The CRF 300L is priced competitively, competing with other motorcycles in its price range and coming out as one of the best, offering great value for its versatility. Advanced features include a digital instrument cluster displaying gear position, fuel level, and more, keeping you informed on the go. Its comfortable seat and upright riding position ensure that every ride is enjoyable. In short, the Honda CRF 300L is like that friend who's up for anything, reliable, fun, and ready to go wherever the adventure leads. Number 5. The Harley-Davidson Road King. Ever heard of a motorcycle that's been the choice of police forces around the world? Enter the Harley-Davidson Road King, a true icon on 2 wheels. This beast boasts a Milwaukee 8 107 engine with a displacement of 1,745cc, delivering a hefty 108 pound-feet of torque at 3,250 RPM. The Road King's timeless design features a chrome 212 exhaust, classic headlamp, and hardshell saddlebags that open with a single touch, perfect for storing your gear, or maybe just your lunch. Its high-performing front and rear suspension, along with easily adjustable rear shocks, provide a plush ride through motorways or scenic route cruising. With a fuel economy of 39 miles per gallon, you'll spend more time riding and less time refueling. The Road King comes with a premium price tag, reflecting its status and performance. Advanced features include cruise control and optional reflex defensive rider systems, enhancing safety and confidence on the road. In essence, the Harley-Davidson Road King is like the monarch of motorcycles, commanding, elegant, and built to rule the roads. Number 4. The KTM 390 Adventure. Did you know that this bike is often considered the gateway to the adventure biking world? This compact explorer is powered by a 373cc single-cylinder engine, churning out 44 horsepower and 27 pound-feet of torque at 7,000 RPM, offering a spirited ride for both newbies and seasoned riders. Its design is inspired by KTM's rally bikes, featuring a rugged frame, 3-gallon tank, and widescreen that says, "Let's go on an adventure." The lightweight chassis and responsive handling make it perfect for weaving through city traffic or tackling winding country roads. With a fuel consumption of approximately 70 miles per gallon, it's both fun and frugal. The 390 Adventure offers impressive value for money. Advanced features include a full-color TFT display, switchable ABS, and traction control, ensuring you have the tech to match your adventurous spirit. The KTM 390 Adventure screams adventure and spontaneity. It's a worthy mention on this list. Number 3. The Yamaha Tenere 700 gets its name from the vast Tenere Desert in Africa. It's a bike built to handle deserts, mountains, and just about anything else Earth can throw at it. This machine is a 689cc parallel twin engine producing 72.4 horsepower and 50 pound-feet of torque, offering smooth power delivery, whether you're climbing hills or cruising highways. Its design is rugged yet approachable. The tall windscreen, dual LED headlights, and slim bodywork make it look ready for a cross-continent adventure. Handling is where the Tenere shines. It feels balanced even when navigating rocky trails. Its 21-inch front wheel and long travel suspension soak up bumps like they're nothing. Fuel efficiency? A respectable 56 miles per gallon paired with a 4-gallon tank means fewer fuel stops and more riding time. Priced very competitively, it includes essentials like switchable ABS, a rally-style instrument panel, and sturdy crash bars. The Tenere 700 is for riders who love the thrill of the unknown, but also appreciate a bike that feels like a trusted partner. It's like having a GPS that doesn't just guide you, it encourages you to take the scenic route. Number 2. Now here's a fun one. The Honda Africa Twin was named after the Dakar Rally, where its predecessors dominated in the 80s. This bike is a legend, and its 1084cc parallel twin engine backs up its reputation with 100 horsepower and 77.4 pound-feet of torque. That's enough muscle to tackle mountain passes and still feel smooth on motorways. The Africa Twin's design screams exploration. Its tall stance, aggressive fairings, and signature twin headlights make it look ready to take on the world. Handling is surprisingly nimble for a bike of its size, thanks to its lightweight frame and advanced suspension system. It's as happy weaving through city traffic as it is crossing rivers. At 49 miles per gallon with a 6.5-gallon fuel tank, it's built for long hauls. The Africa Twin comes packed with tech, including Honda selectable torque control, Apple CarPlay, and a 6-axis IMU for precise handling. Riding this bike feels like a strapped jet engine. It's comfortable, powerful, and always up for adventure. And number 1. The BMW R1250 GS. Have you ever wondered what happens when a motorcycle becomes a cultural icon? Meet the BMW R1250 GS, the bike James Bond himself might ride if he wanted something both classy and capable. Its 1254cc boxer engine churns out 136 horsepower and 105.4 pound-feet of torque, making it a beast on both highways and dirt paths. The R1250 GS is a masterpiece of engineering. The asymmetrical LED headlights, wide handlebars, and sleek bodywork give it a unique and commanding presence. Its handling is surprisingly agile for its size, with the telelever front suspension offering unmatched stability. Fuel consumption sits at 49.5 miles per gallon, and with a 5-gallon tank, it's ready for some epic journeys. You get features like dynamic ESA, that's electronic suspension adjustment, hill start control, and even optional heated seats. This bike doesn't just get you from one point to the other. It's the bike you need to make every journey unforgettable. The BMW R1250 GS is a motorcycle worthy of the number 1 spot. Its versatility is legendary, and experts agree on this. Well, that's it for today, motorcycle enthusiast. Please leave your comments. We always love hearing from you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting videos.